Assalamu alaikum, all of you. I hope you all are fine and in good health. Welcome back to your today's English class. Now, as you can see, this video is for the activity in your English subject, which is going to be there for PT 1. So, yesterday you had a video of story writing from writing section. Yes, now today I'm going to explain you about the activity which is going to be there for your periodic test 1 in English subject. So yes, in the activity for English subject you are going to have story writing. Yes, okay. So there will be one question of story writing for your activity. Now multiple times it has been told to you, okay, and yesterday's class, if you haven't watched the video of story writing, please go and watch it, okay, so that you know what is story writing and how you're supposed to write. Okay, so story writing, having one question, okay, on the base of that question you have to write a story. Now what is that question? Let us see. So here is a question: write a meaningful story from the given outlines and give a suitable title. So here is one story. Okay, now yesterday also, the in the explanation of story writing, one example must have been taught to you. Yes, the same way you are having outlines over here. Yes, outline means some hints are given to you about the story. So one old peasant, all his sons lazy, peasant dying, called all his sons, told them of a treasure hidden in the fields. To find it, they must dig for it. Then died. Sons dug every bit of the land. No treasure. Showed the corn. A very fine crop. Sons learnt a lesson. Moral. So, yes, after reading this, you must have known about it, that yes, there was one peasant, there was one farmer. Okay, now he had his sons, they were so lazy. Yes, and how he has told about the treasure before he died. So here some hints are there. So by this, at least an idea about the story you might have got. Yes, so you can use these clues, okay, and make a wonderful story. Now one important thing is said over here, that give a suitable title. So yes, you are going to give a title to the story, you're going to write a story using the hints, and at last you are going to write a moral as well. Okay, so all of you, your activity question, it's only one activity question you're having. Okay, and what is this question? Yes, this is the question for your activity in story writing. Read the clues properly, get a proper idea about the story, and then write a story. Give a title, and with a moral you have to write. Okay, now what are things you have to take care for writing a story, that is already explained you in yesterday's video, that how you can make your story wonderful. Okay, now I am going to explain you how you are going to write the activity in your CWs. Okay, now you are going to take a middle page of your CW. What you are going to take? You're going to take a pin page. Pin page means middle page. Yes, pin page of your CW. Okay, of CW. Okay, now on the first page of that middle page, what you're going to write? You're going to write your name. Okay, class, division. Okay, then you're going to write your roll number. Okay, subject. On the first page, your information should be there. Okay, again I'm saying, on the first page, your introduction, it means your name, okay, your class, your division, your roll number, subject. Clear? Now on the second page, on the second page, First, you're going to give the title story writing. Give the title story writing. Okay, then copy the question. You have to copy the question. Now, which question you are going to copy? This question. Okay, copy this entire question. Okay, all of you. After copying down the question on this page, on a new page, you can, on the next page, you can give the title, write the story, and at last you have to write a moral of the story. So is this clear to you? Is this clear to you all? How you are going to write? I'm saying it again. First page, your name, class, roll number, etc. Second page, your question. Okay, and third page your story should be there. Clear? तो ये क्या हुआ, ये आपकी पूरी एक एक्टिविटी हुई. पेज कौन से पेज में लिखोगे? ऐसे ही पेज में जो आपकी इंग्लिश की CW होगी ना, उसमें से एक मिडिल पेज ले लो. ओके, सो फर्स्ट पेज पे अपना नाम लिखना है, सेकंड पेज पे क्वेश्चन, और थर्ड पेज पे स्टोरी लिखना. Okay, and which story you are going to write? This story only. Okay, use the clues properly, and using the clues you can complete, you can, you can add your imagination also in the explanation. Also, I have explained many a times. Yes, use the clues, make a proper story, readable story. Okay, give a proper title, write a moral and story properly, and this is how you can do your activity. Now when you have to submit the activity, ये क्वेश्चन सबके दिमाग में होगा. ठीक है, सो एन इम्पॉर्टेंट नोट इज, नोट फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ जून. By the first week of June, you have to complete the activity. Yes, by the first week of June you have to complete the activity. अब कैसे submit करना है वो सब आपको बाद में पता चलेगा. But your activity should be complete by the first week of June. Okay, and it is not going to take much time. It will hardly take 10 to 15 minutes. Yes. Okay, so I hope, and this is very easy one. Yes, the story is easy one, and I am sure you all can write it properly. If you have any doubt regarding the activity, you can ask in the comment section. I have already explained you कहाँ पे लिखना है, कौन से पेज में लिखना है ना? So फिर भी कोई doubt हो, you can ask in the comment section.